Welcome to Wisma Cosway, 8th floor. There are 4 lifts serving this floor. And just further on, the corridor is the common toilet for this floor. And on the right, with the white grille, is the office unit that we are referring to. As you enter this 450 square feet office, there is a red carpet and 4 PowerPoints on each side, totaling 8. And then you can see the manager's room. There are another 4 more PowerPoints and 3 on the floor on this side of the wall. This office has a centralized ducted aircon, and all you got to pay is for your lights and electricity, because the rental includes the aircon, which is worth about 400 to 500 ringgit a month to run aircon in an office of this size. This is inside the manager's office. More PowerPoints and lights. Looking outside the window is Jalan Sultan Ismail with the Monorail station just over here. And then you can see at Bukit Bintang, there's MRT station. And this is Jalan Raja Chulan. There's a big bus stop right in front of Wisma Causeway. If you like this unit, please contact Simon at 012-481-6699. Thank you. Bye.